how to log in Dropbox account. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. First of all, you need to open up your Dropbox application on your device. Once you open up the app, you will be able to see this interface where there are various options for signing in. You can sign in using your Google, or if you are iOS user, then you can also sign in using your Apple. If you want to sign in using your email and password, then you can go for sign in option with blue color at the right bottom corner. Here I am signing in with Google, and in this section you need to choose your account with which you want to log into your Dropbox account, and you have to allow Dropbox to have access to your Google account. So you have to scroll and simply go for allow. Until it's loading, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. And after few seconds of loading, you can see my account has been logged in. So this is how you log in Dropbox account. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions regarding this video, then you can mention below. Thanks for watching.